Want to back up your farm or peek at your Stardew Valley progress data? The SDV save file holds your entire agricultural empire. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to manage, protect, and even edit these beloved farm save files. Spoiler alert. This isn't magic, it's the result of knowing which single sophisticated SDV file inspection tool to use because of its expansive compatibility. SDV files are save game files from Stardew Valley ConcernedApe's farming simulation RPG containing complete farm state data. They store player character attributes, farm layout, crop, and animal data relationship, progress inventory, contents, mine exploration status, and in-game calendar progression. Stardew Valley SDV save files use XML format, storing the complete game state in a structured hierarchical document. The XML contains player stats, farm object placements, NPC relationship values, item inventories, quest progress, and world state data in human-readable tagged format. Historically, the main tool for managing the SDV type has been Stardew Valley by ConcernedApe. To enable complex features within the file, a dedicated proprietary application is necessary. Windows provides only limited insight, so proper handling relies on game or engine-compatible applications. Your first move is to test all possible decoders. Right-click your SDV file and choose Open With. Use Stardew Valley if it is installed. If it's missing, select another program. Testing is the quickest diagnostic method. If your SDV file will not open yet, do not panic. The source is most likely one of 3 common issues. Let's review this simple breakdown of the culprits and how to quickly check them. First, locating save files. Navigate to the Stardew Valley save directory at %appdate%, then Stardew Valley then saves on Windows, or ostconfig Stardew Valley saves on Linux. Each save folder contains the main save file and a save game info file. Copy the entire folder for backup before making any modifications. Next, editing with save tools. Use the online Stardew Valley save editor at upload.farm or the Stardew checkup tool to modify save data through a web interface. Upload your save file to edit inventory items, relationships, farm layout, and game progress. Download the modified save and replace the original in the saves directory. Finally, manual XML editing. Open the save file in a text editor or XML editor for direct modification. Search for specific XML tags to locate and modify player gold item quantities, skill levels, and relationship values. Always keep a backup copy before manual editing, as invalid XML can corrupt the save file. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format agnostic power of File Magic. Get the download link at filemagic.com. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way.